Hey guys, what's going on? This week I figured I'd make a video showing what I'm going to be bringing on my trip that I'm taking here in 8 days from the posting of this video. And I'm showing you what I'm bringing for a month and a half of travel. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so starting off with camera gear and camera equipment, because I will be filming the entire thing. So this is an overview of all the camera equipment I will be bringing. So I have my GoPro, which I'm filming this on my GoPro. This is my GoPro case. I have my MacBook. This here is a 4 terabyte hard drive extension. So I have tons of extra storage if I need it. And no, this is not made by GoPro. I just put that sticker on there. I have a bunch of chargers, and I actually have more than this. These are all for iPhone, but I'll have more than this that I'll take. I have a drone, a DJI Mavic Pro 2 or something like that. This is my backup camera, so in case my GoPro dies or breaks or something, this is the DJI Osmo Action. So take that. This is the cable that I plug my phone into my MacBook, which is how I edit the videos off Final Cut. I get the footage off my phone, so that's what that cable is. These are actually really important here. This is a international outlet converter. This is the international voltage converter. So these are both very important. And this is my MacBook charger. So that's an overview of all my camera equipment. And then, as I mentioned, I'm filming this on my GoPro, which I will be taking with me. And then, of course, I have my phone and stuff as well. And I have a couple more chargers that I just didn't feel like putting in this. So this is an overview of all my camera gear. Alright guys, so here's an overview of all the clothes I will be bringing for a month and a half of travel. So I have 7 pairs of underwear, 7 pairs of socks. I have 4 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of pants, 5 short sleeve shorts, 1 long sleeve shirt, and 1 hoodie. And that is all the clothes I am bringing for a month and a half of travel, which may not seem like a lot, but what I've noticed from past trips I've taken just here in the United States is that less is more. I used to pack a ton of stuff. I used to have like 2 or 3 bags, maybe even more. And I just realized that you just really don't need all that stuff. And especially when you're on planes, and then you have to pay extra money for more baggage. And especially when you don't need it and it's just not necessary. I can fit all of this stuff in 1 carry-on book bag. And I can do laundry like once a week. I mean, I have 6 pairs of shorts / pants, 6 shirts, 7 underwear and socks. So I mean, I only have to do laundry once a week, so it's really not that big a deal. So just once again, this is all the clothes I am bringing. Alright guys, and this is the last of the stuff that I will be taking with me. This is kind of the miscellaneous or extra stuff that is still very useful. So I have my towel for showers. I have my watch. This is the folder that I keep all my tickets in, whether it be plane tickets, train tickets, whatever. A mask, because some countries still have code restrictions. A hat. This is an extra picture of me in case I would need it for some reason. My wallet. A light. Sunglasses, especially in the Middle East when I'll be there. Very important. Passport, obviously probably the most important thing. Nail clippers or trimmers. Locks, these are very important, especially if you're staying at like a hostel or something, so you can be able to lock your stuff up or just lock your bag, whatever you want to do. Pen, pencils, I have an extra bag. Ziploc bags are always nice to take with you. A hat, I have my deodorant and some spray. This is my notebook that I write down stuff in. And I think that's everything. The only thing else that's not here will be my toothbrush and toothpaste. But besides that, this will be everything. So, yep. And I would recommend all this stuff if you're ever taking a trip, because, especially international trip, because all this stuff comes in handy. Alright guys, the last part of the video here is what I'm going to be putting all that stuff into. And the answer is these 2 book bags. I have showed both of these off in a previous video, but all that stuff that I've showed you will fit into both of these book bags. So this book bag here is my camera gear book bag. So I have my cameras, chargers, laptop, all that stuff in it. And then this is my clothing book bag. So all my clothes will fit in here. And yes, they will all fit in here. If you want to know a trick, roll your clothes. They will all fit, I promise you. And then some of that miscellaneous stuff will just go between the two. So if it's more of a clothing thing, like a towel, it'll go with this. If it's more of like a camera thing, or, you know, it's pretty much just if I have space, because this book bag, this one here is much smaller than this one's bigger. So I'll probably put like locks and things in this one, but everything will fit, and this is what I use. And this way, I can just use both these as a carry-on, and I don't have to pay extra money at the airport. So, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I'm pretty excited. I'm not pretty excited, I'm super excited. I'm leaving 8 days from the day this video goes up. This will go up May 15th, although I'm filming this on May 9th. But yeah, I'm super excited and I can't wait. So I'll have a bunch of videos out from each country I go to, and it'll be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for that.